Cool eBay find. Yeah. Hey everyone, it's LJ. I'm back with another awesome eBay find. Let's check it out. But before we do that, please remember to hit that subscribe button somewhere down over here. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Please check me out on Instagram or Facebook. I'll link them down below. Now, back to the video. All right, let's get this box opened. Trusty little knife here. Have it in the wrong way. Cut it all. I know what this is. I'm really happy to have this one. This is a limited run. And it was handed out at none other than Funko Fundays 2019. So happy to have this. Yeah, taped pretty good. I'm ripping that stuff off. Get off! Give me my pop! Okay, it's got paper in it. Hopefully, it protects it. Yeah, it's in another box. Give you a little taste of what's in it. It says it on it. But, here, E-L. Now just imagine what the rest of the name is. Yeah, we have ourselves a 1,500 piece Elmo from the Tiki set. These were given out at Funko Fundays 2019. And like I said, he's limited to 1,500 pieces. I like this. The boxes are cool. They glow in the dark if you don't know. Like the words Funko Pop, his name, and let's see, can you see that? Where is it? 1,500 pieces. Is it blurry or is it fix it? Let's see. I don't know. Can't really tell. There's a good shot of him. The cheeky things glow in the dark. No, his name, the number. Back here, the spastic plastic glows. The little part underneath it, the number. Over here, his name and the number. All glow in the dark. This is a pretty good box. I got this for, say, about $12. Which, after I looked it up on the price scale, he's only going for $17. So I got a pretty good deal. Altogether, it came to about $19 for shipping or $20 for shipping. So I'm happy to have him. like to say thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. So y'all have a good one. See ya.